Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you this storage box. This is completely made with plaster of Paris and a balloon. I have not used any newspaper or glue to make the structure. I am sure that if you can see properly the tutorial, you can make it at home easily. You just need some white balloon and 500 gram of plaster of Paris. Inside of a balloon, I am inserting the plaster of Paris and water mixture. The water and plaster of Paris ratio is 1:2, means 2 times of plaster of Paris and 1 times of water. Actually, that mixture will be very liquid. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can realize that is getting thick, and after 15 minutes, it will get little bit warm, and the plaster of Paris will take the structure. I am using normal 2 plate to get the structure, little bit compressing and shaking that balloon with the plaster of Paris more than 15 minutes. After some time, you realize it's getting little bit warm, and the plaster of Paris concentration will increase. It will become very hard. While shaking, you should not remove the plate. Once it's done, just remove the plate. Top side I have not put up plaster of Paris properly, but I need only bottom side, so the structure is ready for me. Using one knife, I'm just cleaning up the top portion, and you can just make a smooth surface of the outer cutting. You can rotate and just scratch it with sandpaper to make a smooth outer cut. I'm using one basic scarping tool to take the structure. You just follow whatever I am doing. Now the outer surface is ready. I have done it. Some portion is little bit scratches there, but it's okay. While painting, it will be covered. Top of that, I am using on plastic, and above that I'll put a plaster of Paris and wait for 10-15 minutes to dry it out and clean the top surface. Once you put a top plaster of Paris on the top, then slightly try to create a uniform surface. After that, when you remove it using any kind of tool or water or sandpaper, anything, you just try to make a top side little smooth. Then same thing, same carving, any design you can make it on top side. That will be a lid. I am going to use this one as a lid of the box. So using sandpaper, little bit water or knife, I have to make the top surface smooth. Using homemade clay for the border, and clay making video link is given in the description. You can make the clay at home and store 6 to 7 months in the refrigerator, and once it become dry, it will be same hard like a plaster of Paris or like a cement. Now the top lid is ready, and I can use it for my box lid. My humble request to you, please subscribe and share this video if you like. If you have any question or any suggestion, please let me know.